How to delete Facebook group permanently. First is by opening your Facebook app and then go to menu found on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you have done that, you may go to groups right here and go to your groups right here. And then choose the group that you want to delete. And what you're going to do first is to remove all of the members of the group. So to do that, you just simply go to manage right here, scroll down until you can see the people right here. Then, once you are in the people section, you may remove the person or the admins by clicking on the three dots on the rightmost part of their name. And then once you have removed all of them, you may now go back and then click on this one right here, this star or shield icon found on the upper right corner. Scroll down to the bottom and make sure to click on leave group or delete group right here. Click on it and click on delete group, and then there you go. That's how you can delete Facebook group permanently.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.